Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get more durable. To achieve lasting durability, it is essential to adopt a comprehensive strategy that addresses both your physical and mental well-being. This isn't about quick fixes, but rather a sustained commitment to improving your body's resilience over time. We will explore key pillars, including structured physical conditioning, optimal recovery, and a strong mental approach, all working together to build a more robust you. To truly strengthen your foundation, consistent physical conditioning is paramount. Aim for resistance training 3 to 4 times a week, focusing on compound movements to build overall strength and bone density. Complement this with 20 to 30 minutes of cardiovascular exercise most days, improving your heart and lung capacity. Don't forget daily flexibility and mobility work, like stretching or yoga, for 10 to 15 minutes to maintain range of motion and significantly reduce injury risk. Recovery and nutrition are just as crucial as your workouts for building durability. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. It's when your body repairs and rebuilds. Fuel your system with a balanced diet, emphasizing lean proteins for muscle repair, complex carbohydrates for energy, and healthy fats for overall function. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to stay hydrated. Remember to schedule 1 or 2 full rest days each week to allow your body to fully recover and adapt. Finally, cultivating a resilient mindset and unwavering consistency are the cornerstones of lasting durability. Set clear, achievable goals to keep you motivated and track your progress. Practice mindfulness or meditation for 5 to 10 minutes daily to strengthen your mental fortitude. View challenges not as failures, but as valuable learning experiences. Remember, building durability is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires a consistent, long-term commitment to your well-being, day in and day out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.